All right, so let's make a self-grading Google form right here in this classroom assignment that I already have set up for us. And let's make it self-grading and then get the actual embedded form right here in the classroom. So first I'm going to create this thing, and I'm going to create a form. And let's call this school quiz. How's that? Click on there. All right. Question number 1, and first of all, let's just write last name, and there we go, short answer. Let's make that required. Let's duplicate that and make it first name as the second question. Because if you're going to make a spreadsheet, this is easier to sort by last and first name. And then let's make another question, and let's make this one multiple choice. So there we go. And the question is, school is for learning. And then option 1 is going to be true. And then the other option right here is suggested to us, false. Okay, so that's going to be our first question. Let's make it a required question. And then let's make another one, another multiple choice. Let's call this, and by the way, sometimes it's helpful to just number these questions. I like to do that. Okay, so this will be question 2. And second question is, I can be more in charge of my learning if I, and they think that I want a linear scale for that type of thing, because more or less, but I'm going to stick back to multiple choice. So choice 1, participate, enter. How about sleep during class? And how about skip school? Those are good choices, don't you think? Right, we're going to require that one. And then one more. Let's call this question 3. School hours are, and let's make this one a drop down so you can see what that looks like. 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Enter. 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Enter, and let's go 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And let's also make that required. We got my 3 questions and then my demographic information. And I think that's good. So now we want to set up our quiz so that we're collecting everybody's email address, giving them a response receipt every time. Only one response. And we want them to be able to edit. Let's let them edit it this time if they need to. And then let's save those settings. But then let's see here. Let's make this into a quiz. So you have to go from general to quizzes over here. Let me show you. I went kind of fast on that. Back to the settings, quizzes. Toggle that on. And when do we want their grade to be released? I'm going to make it later after I manually review this, so they don't get it. Well, no, let's let them get their answer immediately. They can see their missed questions, the correct answer, and their point values. Okay. So I'm going to save that. And now we're going to go in and put that in as a form that they can edit right from Google Classroom. So that'll be the next video.